Right, hi guys, this is
Hello everyone.
pretty painful video to do, or hopefully this gets out there to people.
Hopefully our subscribers manage to see.
I know we don't have that many, but we did have 11,000.
Yeah.
So cut a long story short, our YouTube account has been hacked and we don't have access to it, and we can't get access to it.
We just can't get back in.
But also Misha's Google account, the whole account has been hacked. So she can't get back into any of the Googles. So
Can't get back into anything work related.
So all
either.
of her business accounts are now hacked.
We just don't know what to do. We don't even know where to begin.
We can't get, so basically Misha's podiatry business, we can't access anything, so that's probably game over. We had
just everything. There's basically everything stopped.
yeah,
basically.
and so
Everything.
yeah, so we haven't got a plan for this video. We're just sitting in the car, right?
Right now we're just trying to decide what to do, and to be honest, to be completely honest with you, I'm ready to throw in the towel, and I'm ready to. We
haven't got any money. All right, so look, I'm gonna just put it out there, all right? The car that we crashed, right, that put us in the hole. We had a tiny bit of money to see us out, but that wiped us out financially, basically.
And we had to take money out of our build fund, which was very small anyway, to finance the car and
to buy a new car.
And now this has happened, where the account's been hacked. So I just can't see a way forward, really.
Yeah, so the YouTube account's been fully hacked. All the Google accounts the business accounts have been hacked as well. We can't get into those, they're frozen out. We can't get onto Google. They've changed everything basically.
Yeah,
so
they've locked us out of our own accounts.
Yes,
and we don't know how to.
It's a sophisticated hack basically. So we were monetized. We'd been monetized for a couple of months, hadn't we?
Yeah. And just received our first payment.
Yeah. And we were obviously banking on that to see us through and to be able to live in Jamaica, and everything was going well, other than crashing the car, enough for us to be able to stay in Jamaica and basically make it work, right?
Yeah.
And to live.
Yeah.
Because obviously the podiatry
has only just started trickling through.
Yeah, and it's not enough
it's not enough to live
It's
on.
not even enough to pay our rent, okay? The podiatry, and it's definitely not enough for food, and it's definitely not enough for petrol plus anything else, okay? So the podiatry cannot cover our bills.
It can't sustain.
The YouTube, the little amount that we were getting from the AdSense it was allowing us, with those two things combined, to be able to live, right? But we have lost it, and it's game over basically.
It's painful. It's really, really painful. As I say, we're just sitting here in the car trying to decide what to do, really.
Explain.
Yeah, go on.
So all Misha's, the other thing is that all Misha's clients have come through YouTube. Basically in Jamaica, all Misha's clients have come through YouTube, right? And we've used the platform to market ourselves. In Jamaica, it's very difficult to market because it takes a long time to compete with established people, right? So obviously we've used the YouTube to get that going. That's now gone as well, so that is now dead as well. So we can't advertise or market ourselves because we're relying on the free advertisement of YouTube. That has now gone as well. So plus the actual accounts that are all linked to Misha's business, the telephone numbers, everything that's good, is now shut down and gone and been hacked. Okay, you can say, oh, that's silly having it all through one account, but
that's how it works, really.
Yeah, it's just
careful see. Even it was just a setup we had at the moment as well.
Yeah, we're kind of new to this, but it was just Misha's Google account we set the YouTube up with, and that is the kind of like the seed account to all the business accounts kind of stuff. All right, so we've lost the ability to be monetized in the account. We've lost any money that we did make in the YouTube AdSense account. I mean, everyone's like, oh well, you know, it might just be like tough. It's how it rolls. But basically,
every stream of income we've had, we've lost. Everything's
gone. Like all our Google accounts have been hacked, and they're gone, including the YouTube. Obviously someone wants to. They just stolen the money in the YouTube, not much, but enough for us to like be able to pay our petrol and feed the children. Literally, Misha's salary covers our rent, what she's making, which is nothing. But just about covers our rent at the moment. And the YouTube paid for the petrol and the food, right?
Yes.
And so that's
how we worked it.
Yeah, that is how we work.
But now again, there's no income. It's all been hacked and stopped.
Yeah, anyway, we're probably repeating ourselves, okay? But basically, we had a dream, and the dream is over. We have nowhere to go in the UK. We don't have a house. We sold our cars. I never thought that our Google accounts would be hacked, and then that would just, you know what I mean? Like, you don't think that someone's gonna hack your Google accounts and your YouTube when you've got like 10,000 followers, and they've stolen it. Someone sent us an email with like they've changed they were putting up stuff to do with like Ripple Bitcoin, but the name was the same. But now if you search it, you can't even see Osbornes in Jamaica.
They've probably deleted our account, or YouTube's blocked it, knowing that it's something suspicious. I don't know.
Doubt it.
I don't know.
They doubt it. They've just changed it all, so you don't even know what it's called, where it is.
Yeah.
So that's it. I don't know what else to do. Obviously, like hopefully.
We're sitting in the car here, just like debating what we're gonna do. Do we stay? Do we leave?
Haven't.
What do we do?
So we're gonna go. If we go home, we've got nowhere to go. We have some land that we can camp on. Misha doesn't. Misha doesn't. We can just. It's in St. Elizabeth. Like it's hot there. Like plus, even if Misha goes to work, it's not enough to really. Your salary at the moment isn't enough to cover basically food and petrol, pretty much.
Yeah. And again, if
maybe just petrol.
And again, if you're camping on the land, like I would be going away with the car for the day and coming back, and you guys would just be in like a tent with no aircon or nothing. You'd just literally be in a tent,
under a gazebo, sitting there all day,
waiting for me to come home.
So it's game over. It looks like we will be. We'll be going back to England. I want to stay. Misha, it doesn't.
I feel like we can't.
Misha doesn't. I don't want to.
Like we can't.
I do not want to quit. Okay. Like if you think about how like humiliating it is.
I know.
But I don't. That's not. Theo, can you just quiet? It's not. I don't really care about humiliation. There's nothing we did. Okay, we didn't like make a major mess up and like miscalculate. Literally, the Google accounts have been hacked.
But anyway,
so
we're putting this out. Hopefully, you guys are gonna see what's happened. We have no way of reaching you all like 11,000 of you and those that did watch us. So we're hoping that you guys see this.
Yeah. I don't know what we get. I have no idea what we're gonna do.
We might follow this account if you want to, because this is the only one we got access to.
We're gonna. This is on my email, on my phone, which we didn't have the.
Guys, careful.
Guys, excuse.
Calm down.
So I'm gonna put this out. No one's gonna see this.
Yeah,
but basically. We don't have any access to any kind of money or even making money now. It's crazy how it's all pivoted through Google.
Yeah.
And also we don't have anywhere to go in the UK. We have nothing. We saved up our whole life savings to buy that bit of land and to get that bit of money to come over to Jamaica, and it was a risk. But to be honest with you, everything that we did was going well. It's been going really well.
Apart from the crashing of the car.
Yeah, we crashed the car, that was bad. But in terms of Misha's practice, like picking up and like getting customers through the YouTube, brilliant. Another 3 months, you would have been brilliant, right? Would have been maybe on a working salary in a few more. Guys, can you stop?
So what's the time now? It's like it's 7:33 and it's Tuesday the 7th of July. The hacking happened about 4 hours ago. But yeah, so we're just sitting here in the car. We're like by a supermarket, just debating what we're gonna do. Do we stay? Do we go?
We don't have anywhere to go in England.
I know.
So it's all basically like, it's gonna sound melodramatic, but that's the end of our. Like we had a thriving podiatry business in the UK.
We did. It was doing very well.
We had cars and we had a life.
They've been
and
sold.
It's annoying because you could say, oh well, you know, you risked it and all the rest of it, but it's not like we've been. The Google account and the business account, everything's been hacked. Theo,
by all means, if anyone has any advice about how to get it back, we don't think we can.
You can't.
Because we've been locked out of everything, and it's almost like it's basically not ours now.
Yeah. So
if you have any advice, please do let us know if there's any tech whizzes.
So even like the backup verification stuff doesn't work.
Like I can't put in my recovery email to get like the stuff sent over. I can't put in my phone number to get it to my phone. I can't put in like passwords. I can't even put in my name to prove that it's my account, because like all of like those recovery steps have been changed.
Yeah, so if you have any kind of an idea about what you think we should do, I guess we're just gonna have to go back to England and start our lives from scratch. I mean, I'm talking like from scratch.
Like
we've got nowhere to live. We've got no job.
Got to beg my mum if she'll have us, and there's my mum, my sister, and they live in a 3-bedroom house, so all 5 of us will be squeezing up into a 1-bedroom. That's if she'll have us.
I just feel so disappointed that like all the accounts are just gone, and like they've stolen money from us and destroyed all the accounts.
And destroyed our future, but anyway.
So we're not going to be building a house. We won't be setting up a business. I guess everyone's got the answer of whether or not it's make or break, but it's just so heartbreaking because there's nothing we've really done. We did everything we can to do this. We've been working so hard at it, trust me.
Yeah.
And it's just like someone's gone in, hacked our like the central nerve of our accounts, and now they don't belong, and they don't belong to us. Like the business account doesn't belong to us, the YouTube account doesn't belong to us now. So don't know. So obviously there's some.
Anyway, we're going to put this out.
I don't know whether to set. The thing is, it's going to take like months to even try and get some coverage, to get people to see this video maybe. But so eventually we'll probably be back in England by the time you get to see this video, seriously. I don't expect this to do anything or anybody. You're just going to fade into oblivion. Maybe that's the best thing to do, just sulk away. I don't want to give up. I really don't want to give up. I'm willing to just live on the land in a blooming tent.
If it were me and you, just us two, I would do the same. But for the sake of the children,
they have nothing. We have nothing in England.
We can't stay. I can't have the children in a tent. I can't. If it were me and you, different story. But we've got a 1-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 5-year-old.
This is really like a pivotal moment for like our whole lives. We literally like been working so hard to build our podiatry business up to something where we can save some. It's so hard saving money in England. I'm not like crying about it, I'm just saying worked so hard to get to that point over years, and then to save like the little bit of money that we could, because we're not rich. And then like take that chance and make or break. And like I said, I know I'm repeating myself, and everything's going well and just being hacked and just blown out the water by being hacked.
Anyway, we hope you all see this video. We do.
yeah, man, I hope like people, if anyone wants to share it, just so people know. Like I said, it just feels a bit weird. Just like I don't know what else to do really, because I've been like editing, filming, and doing everything for YouTube like non-stop around the clock for about since we like.
Hazel.
Just before we land, like, you know, before we actually landed, when we were still in England, when I did the first videos.
Let's go home.
Yeah, so basically it's June, what is it, July?
It's July the 7th.
So what month is that, the 7th? Yeah, so we left on February the 13th, and we basically prepped for like 1 month, literally. We decided, and we just were like 1 month. So I started doing the YouTube, like doing the videos, you know, when we're sitting on a log and that, like literally like 1 month before we left, we had like, you know, and so I've been doing it non-stop for 6 months now, and sorry, spitting in my ear. So I don't really know what else to do. Just feel, like I said, it feels a bit weird just like hanging it up and not doing anything and walking away. Like I want to try and at least tell people, not that anyone actually cares, probably, I don't know. But yeah, that's our lives. Like, I might just document it's not going to be interesting, is it? But that's it. It's basically over. I'm done with my life. Our lives is that we were this close to being able to build a house for the children, to live in rent-free and be able to actually have a chance at happiness and not be tied down for the rest of their lives to renting. Because I've never not paid rent in my whole life. I've never been rent-free. I've never been. Where are you going?
Just gonna stand outside. It's hot.
We've just been crushed under like bills like everybody else for like basically my whole life. And so's Misha, and we're this close to trying like building a house and not being under those conditions like so many people, but we were unable. I gave it a really good go. Gave it everything. At least we can say that we actually tried to do you know what I mean? Like go for broke, just go for it. And oh man, I really did put my faith in God massively. We both did, and trust. And I don't know. I feel like I don't know what this isn't meant to be. Maybe it's very heartbreaking. It's very, very soul crushing, to be honest with you. I just feel so sorry for my children, man. Like there was a lot of hope for the future, and it's gone, and there's nothing.
A little bit later.
Mish, you got anything to say before I sign it off?
I enjoyed our time in Jamaica. I enjoyed YouTube. It has been a roller coaster of ups and downs. I thought we was going to
mainly
make it,
downs.
to be honest.
I thought we were going to make it.
I always had hope and optimism.
So I said, I felt I gave my hope, trusting God, and do some more praying, but I can't see. Anyway.